Hello there, we're going to show you an Epson chip resetter and how to use it. And we'll briefly discuss when you would use it. But let's have a look at what you've got. You've got a label on the back that will tell you which printer models or cartridge series you can use it for. You won't read it as the writing's so small. You have a guide, a cartridge guide, and you'll see that there's cutouts here. For different cartridges you would use different guides. This guide is set for the appropriate models on this label. You have contacts that go onto the chip and you have a flashing LED. Now it's not going to be easy to show you this because if you don't get it right it can be rather awkward, but I'll do the best I can. You just bring the bottom of the cartridge and the side of the cartridge and you align them here, and all I would do is bring that in like that, and there you go, it's reset, it's gone green, and that's it. That's how you would use it. So to show you that again, you would align the bottom, align that, and it can be awkward, and it's set. When it goes green, it's reset, and that's it really. Now, where would you use these? If you're using, this is a refillable cartridge. Here you've got single-use cartridges, Epson single-use cartridges. These things will work on single-use cartridges. Again, align the chip, and there you go, it's gone green. That says that the cartridge is reset. So you can use it for genuine cartridges or you can use it with compatible cartridges. Why you would use it with compatible cartridges, I don't know, but people do. So let's pull that out of the way. I like to use them with refillable cartridges. With refillable cartridges you get the choice of an auto reset chip and you won't tell the difference. This is a single-use chip and this one here is an auto reset chip. You won't tell the difference visually. Auto reset chips work mathematically. They count the drops of ink. The printer sends that information to the chip stores it, and when it's used enough drops of ink it will show that the cartridge is empty and it won't print anymore until you replace that cartridge or reset the chip. An auto reset chip, when you lift it out of the printer, fill it, put it back, it will take it back to 97% of its level. It actually works, I think, between 3% empty, 97% for full. I could be wrong there, don't hang me. So that's where I would use it. I prefer to use single-use chips and a resetter because it allows me the freedom to fill cartridges when I want. One of the things with an Epson printer is if I'm going to fill, say, a cyan cartridge, it would make sense to me if I know that the black cartridge and the yellow cartridge also need topping up. If you do that, you'll confuse the hell out of the printer because the printer doesn't know, or it's not telling you to fill the cartridge. So if you're using auto reset chips, what will happen is it will retain information in the memory and it will be completely confused. And you would have to go through a memory reset procedure if you ever did that. Single-use chips, you don't have that problem. I can reset the cartridge, I can reset the chip, and I can fill them whenever I want. And that's where you would use it. Thanks, I hope that helps.